Hello everyone, welcome back to uGenesys, and today I have something extraordinary to show you. I want to introduce you to the Silver Bullet strategy, and this strategy was created by ICT, and for those who are not familiar with ICT, it stands for Inner Circle Trader, which is the pen name of Michael Huddleston, who is a well-renowned figure in the Forex trading industry. He has been trading for over 20 years and gained popularity for sharing his insights and trading strategies on various online platforms. And he's so confident with this strategy that he has claimed you can use it to quit your job in 90 days. That's just how powerful it is. So the recommended times to use this strategy would be 3 to 4 a.m., 10 to 11 a.m., and 2 to 3 p.m. all New York time. And let me give you an example on the chart. So we're using the TradingView platform and we're on the Euro USD chart on the 1 minute time frame. And the first thing that we want to do is to highlight the hour that we'll be trading in. And we're going to use 10 to 11 a.m. New York time. So we'll go to indicators and search for session on the chart. And we're just going to adjust the settings. So we'll deselect London and Tokyo and put New York 10 to 11 a.m. And next we want to highlight the liquidity levels. And so on the chart, the liquidity levels would be at these swing high and swing low areas whenever the price reaches a high or low and reverses. So at these swing highs, we will have our buy side liquidity levels. And then at the swing lows, we'll have sell side liquidity levels. Now with this strategy, what we'll be doing is waiting for the market to break either a buy side or a sell side liquidity level within the hour. And then we'll expect it to push in the opposite direction. But the market doesn't have to break the level exactly within the hour. If the market breaks the level just a few minutes before the hour, then this is still acceptable. So the market broke this buy side liquidity level. And the next thing that we need to look for is a market structure shift or displacement. And here we have a change of character, as the market was in an uptrend and now it's going down. So that's our market structure shift. And so this leg where the market structure shift took place is what we call the displacement leg, and we'll then be looking for fair value gaps along the displacement leg to mark entry points. So we have a fair value gap right here and another one right here. So we'll mark them out and wait for the market to fill these gaps to take a short entry. And using our short entry tool, we would put our stop loss above the previous high and set the take profit down at the next sell side liquidity level. And now you could either set a sell limit or wait until the market touches the fair value gap and manually enter the trade. And as you can see, the market went down, retraced, and then touched the fair value gap, and then it pushed down. It retraced a bit, but then it made a large movement downwards. You can see it continuing to go down. And so, to recap, the strategy is to wait until the market breaks a sell side or buy side liquidity level. Wait for displacement in the market, identify fair value gaps along the displacement leg, and then place your order when the market retraces and fills a fair value gap. So this is a very effective strategy, but you can see it's also very technical. That's why our ICT Silver Bullet indicator is the perfect solution. This indicator takes the hassle out of this strategy for you and makes it much simpler. So first off, it's important that you remain in either the 1 minute or 5 minute time frame when using this indicator. And so you can see it highlights the 3 trading hours for you, and the most important thing is that it shows you the fair value gaps. Let me zoom in on this section. So here you can see we have a blue fair value gap that was identified in this session. So this is a bullish fair value gap from which you can place buy orders. And you can see where the market went up, retraced and touched the gap, and then went back up again. And here we have another section, this time with a red bearish fair value gap. So you can see when it was formed and the market went down, came back and touched the gap and then pushed further down. So instead of having to worry about the liquidity levels or the break of structure, all you would have to do is wait until you see the fair value gap forming. And then you could either set a sell limit if it's bearish or a buy limit if it's bullish, or you could wait until you see the market fill the gap to manually enter into trades. Additionally, this indicator has an alert feature. So if we go to properties, we can see you're able to change different settings such as the colors of the different fair value gaps and so on. And down here we have this feature that gives alerts whenever a new fair value gap forms. And you can set the value to true and it will alert you when there is a new fair value gap, or you could set the value to false to turn off the alerts. So it makes it very easy for you to use this strategy. And so, to get this Silver Bullet indicator, you can click on the link in the description below. And thanks again for watching our video. Please remember to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and comment down below and let us know what you think, and goodbye for now.